So the easy mailing facility in GetBookedUp, it's designed, as it says, to be easy to mail clients on a sort of direct mail bulk basis. So let's get straight into it. It's under the marketing menu, easy mailing, and this is the tool that opens up. So easy mailing. What we've done is there's several tools within this one easy mailing facility, and the first one is the easy filter at the top. So if you just want to do a simple reminder letter, you can come into here and you can choose the option in here for all clients where the last job was 12 months ago, and you'll see that that's populated this center filter section here with the last job month 12 months ago. So for instance, if we're in March, it'll find all the clients from March 12 months ago. It shows here that there's 101 clients that meet that criteria. So that's just a very easy way to organise and generate your reminder letter. But we've gone a little bit further than that. What we've also done is in the centre section here, this filter, there's various different options that you can choose from in here. So you can choose your client types. If you only want to choose your domestic clients, you can choose those. You can filter them by where did you hear about us and where did you get our number from. So if you only want to target people that heard about us from a friend, you could choose the referral option in here. And also you can target by total spend, so more than, less than, in between, things like that. Are they a repeat client? So you can again, this just allows you to target very specifically people that heard about you from a friend and have used you more than once. So you're personalised in the mailing much more. You can talk in the mailing about people that know about us from a friend and have used us multiple times, so it allows you to get very targeted with the mail shots. At street level, so you can mail shot everybody in the same street, which is a mailing that is quite effective as well. Everybody in the same district, or everybody in the same town, or even everybody in the same postcode, or even just postcode sectors. So if you want to mail shot everybody in, for instance, the DN1 postcode, you can pop that in there and it'll mail shot everybody in the DN1 postcode. So this center filter allows you to create, just using some simple drop down boxes, a list of people that you can send a mailing to. Now the other thing that this easy mailing tool does is automatically exclude some people. So if you've ticked do not mail shot, they'll be excluded. If you've ticked moved on, they'll be excluded. Archived, they're automatically going to be excluded. But then you get some options. So if you've done a quote for them in the last 2 months, do you want to include them in this mailing? If they've had a job done in the last 3 months, if they've got a job booked in the future, and also the opportunity here for if you've ticked the do not email button, you can remove them from this marketing activity. So they're just other customizable options, and you just tick or untick the boxes to make those exclusion filters apply. Now what's different about this in the Business Builder and Turbocharged editions is you've got more tools here. You can choose street, district and town, so you can be much more targeted in this general filter in the middle here. But also in the My Grid filter section here, this is completely customizable, so you can write your own filtered report to find people in very specific areas or very specific groups of people. So in this example here, this is a mail shot that's set up to send a letter to everybody that's in these specific postcodes. Now that's something that's set up in the My Filter tool, and that's covered in a separate video. But this, in the Business Builder and Turbocharged editions, the easy mailing allows you to choose those filters as well, and use this simple mailing tool to generate the letter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back to the example of last used 12 months ago, just to keep this simple. Click Show Clients, and it shows us that we've got the 101 clients who meet the criteria. Now all we need to do, once we know we've got the 100 people, we click the Select Document and Printer, so you can choose the document that you want to send to these people. So that could be the 12-month reminder letter, and this is done through the built-in word processor. Then all we need to do is choose the printer that we're sending it to, click Print and Record in the contact log, and that'll print that out, mail merge all the details in, including the last job date if necessary, and specific details about it's 12 months ago since you last came, and then that'll record that in the contact log. Now the great thing about that is that means that when the client rings in and you ask them where they heard about you, you'll see that letter on the contact log. You can click the letter, click Responded Today on that list, and that will automatically record that as a response to the mailing and include that in your reporting and analysis. If you don't want to do the printing yourself, you've also got the option for data export here, and again you can record that in the contact log. If you still want to use Word as opposed to the built-in word processor, you can click export for Word, or just click export for Excel, and it creates an Excel database, an Excel spreadsheet that you can send off to people like DocMail, mailboxes, etc., who will be happy to use that to do your mail merge from there. The other alternative you've got in this edition as well is select envelope or label and printer. There's label and envelope designer within the GetBookedUp software, and again this allows you to choose those envelopes or labels and automatically print directly onto those. So that's it. Easy mailing, an easy way to do mailings to bulk groups of people on the database.